WhatsApp is a very popular app to make unlimited free voice and video calls, and it's super easy to use. This tutorial review will show you how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. So if you're an Android user, then go to Play Store, and if you're an iPhone user, then go to App Store. And here search for WhatsApp, and all you have to need just tap on install, and the WhatsApp app will start to install. And once the WhatsApp app installed, tap on open, tap on agree and continue, enter here your mobile number, tap on done. So this is how we can download and install WhatsApp app on mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.